Tech?
Para ako nanonood ng action, biglang drama, biglang ang hirap para sa amin na mag-maintain yung lead. So, pero nakita ko yung maturity ng mga players. So, kung paano namin i-handle yung behind 4 points. So, very happy na nagkaroon kami ng ganun turnout. Kapag sabihin natin may drama, may action, pero at the end, di ba, masaya lahat. So, thank you. Thank you sa inyo.
Thank you. Kenny, you had 13 attacks, 1 service ace, 18 exceptions, and 3 digs. So yun nga, very important itong match ito kasi syempre, para maganda yung pwesto nyo sa top 4. So, ano masasabi nyo na naibawi nyo yung pagkatalo nyo sa UP sa first round?
Siyempre po sobrang importante ng game yan kasi nga lagi sinasabi sa akin na must win game. Kailangan natin, hindi naman sa nag-ahabol, pero kailangan pa namin masiyangat yung standing namin kasi nga may goal kami. Ngayong second round, so ayun, sobrang happy kasi parang lumalabas yung mga pinaghirapan namin. Pero yun nga, trabaho pa rin.
Thank you to Paida. You had 20 points on 17 of 38 attacks, 3 blocks, and 7 digs. So you had a lot of crucial spikes in the 4th set. So how happy are you right now that FU is now still in 3rd place in the standings? What can you say?
The first I want to say thank you to God, to Lord. So it was not easy. Like when I thinking in the first round we lost again UP. So it's like my motivation to be back again UP. To show who I am, who we are, like that. So we cannot beat down again with UP. So that is why I want to adjust myself and then improve my strike or defense. So I'm so happy. Yes. And then also I'm so happy also with my teammate. So that is mean without them I cannot do everything. I cannot strike, I cannot defend. They are always there for me. They are always there to push me to be happy and enjoy inside the